Present perfect. Have you ever gone to the Machu Picchu? Have you ever played the guitar? Have you ever taken over 1,000 pictures just in one day? Have you ever known a famous star? Have you ever done exercise in the beach? Have you ever done skiing? Have you ever ridden motorcycle? Have you ever drank tequila? Have you ever traveled a car? Have you ever read Harry Potter? Have you ever drawn money on the street? Have you studied English before? Have you ever run marathon? Have you ever eaten tacos at home? Have you ever been over 50 hours in your office? Have you ever seen the Great Wall of China? Have you had an iPhone before? Have you ever swam with dolphins? Have you ever danced in your wallet? Have you ever had a sleep on your laptop?